Hariom student, how are you? Today we are going to learn the mirror formula for concave mirror. The formula is very much important for calculate the sum and for Gujcat and MCQ also. So let's start. First of all we draw the small aperture concave mirror MN. The midpoint of aperture is known as dhruv, pole. Now, the imaginary line passing through the pole is known as principal axis. Now, we consider object AB, and this is the object distance from the pole. As we know that to form the image, minimum two rays are required. So first is parallel to principal axis, which is reflect and passing through the principal focus. Another is passing through the pole with making an angle theta. So reflected ray, and both rays where intersect, they form the image A dash B dash. This is the image V, and this is focal length. Clear? So here we see the two triangles CPF A dash B dash F. CPF A dash B dash. Both triangles are similar, so we can write without dash CP upon with dash equal to without dash upon with dash. Make the equation number 1. Similar, another triangle APB and A dash P B dash, also similar. ABP A dash B dash P. So we can write without dash with dash without dash with dash. Clear? In equation number 1, CP equal to AB, so we can write CP. So from 1, CP equal to AB. So AB A dash B dash equal to FP B dash F. Now compare the equation number 2 and 3. FP B dash F. Now we see the which value we have. BP, object distance, B dash P, image distance, FP, focal length, but F dash P we don't have the value. So we here make the calculation larger minus smaller. So first of all BP, B dash P, FP, in place of B dash F we write B dash P minus FP. Now put the value. Here are the two methods. First, use all the distance with sign convection and all the distance without sign. So for convenient, easily, we use all the distance without sign. BP, object distance, B dash P, image distance, FP, focal length, B dash P, image distance, and FP, focal length. Now cross multiplication. Now this equation is divided by UVF, divided by UVF. So UV, UVF, UF, UVF, VF, UVF. So here UV cut. So we get 1 upon F. UF cut. 1 upon V. VF cut. So 1 upon U. Minus 1 upon V plus 1 upon V. So we can write 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. This is the mirror equation. From the relation F equal to R by 2, we also use this equation as 1 upon U, 1 upon V, 2 by R. This is the mirror equation for concave mirror. So, draw the figure properly with arrow and calculate the theory. So, in this theory, sometimes examiner asks in 2 mark that what is the magnification and derive the formula of magnification for concave mirror. So you have to draw this figure again, and here height of object and height of image. So first of all we write magnification. The definition of is the ratio of height of image and height of object is called magnification. Say M equal to HI upon HO. So from the figure ABP and another A dash B dash P, height of object, height of image. Apply tan theta, height of object, opposite side, height of object and adjacent U. Similar, opposite, height of image upon adjacent, that is image distance. Compare 2 and 3. Now we use sign convection. Height of object is erect, that's why plus U, that is the other side of pole. Negative, height of image inward, negative, and the image distance is also negative. So negative cut. So magnification HI upon HO equal to minus V upon U. This equation is for concave mirror. For convex, magnification HI upon HO equal to V upon U plus V upon U. For concave, minus V upon U. So calculate or write the theory properly. Best of luck. Hari Om.